Hello YouTube, Chris here from Chris Interactive. Today our interactive item is a Bluetooth speaker from AliExpress. It's the Tronsmart. Actually I don't know this company. I was looking out for gadgets as usual, and I found the Element T6 wireless speaker. It's compact, it's heavy. I think it's around 2 kilograms, 2 kgs. It's a very nice Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, it has features that you would not believe. This is not a sponsored video. I bought the Bluetooth speaker with my own money, and I was around 120 US dollars. So you can find the speaker on AliExpress, different stores. It's it has patent algorithm with SoundPulse. Apparently it has pretty many features. It has the near field communication, compatible with Alexa and Siri, I think, and Google. I mean, the power button is right here behind. It's a USB type C. Has a UX in case you want to put in a cable to use it as an external speaker. That's the power button there. This power button, and so this speaker apparently has up to 20 hours playtime, and it supports up to 2 T6 speakers. You can pair two and they will play simultaneously. And we are going to try out the music at the end of the video to see how it sounds. It has NFC, like I said, seamless connection. It's IPX5 splash resistant, DSP technology. I'm not so technical. Apparently that's for balanced audio. Has 360-degree sound, that's all round. 3 equalizer audio effects. I already mentioned the type C. So it's a very beautiful speaker, and if you want to see or check out the speaker, you can go to AliExpress, and this is a quick preview of the speaker. It's not an unboxing, it's already unboxed, and yeah, this is how the speaker looks like. And we will right away go into the sound and see how it sounds.
on the rise now.